the language could just be something that, okay, now we're gonna present some questions from the committee.
You can present a
You're shaking your
report, or
head,
you
Pam,
can
huh?
ask, actually, you're gonna want the CBOC to make some recommendation. So it's gotta be under the discussion items. It doesn't have to be
It'd
in
have to
front
be
of
the
them ahead of
action.
time, but then we have admonished others for putting stuff in front of us in the past.
Right.
But the Brown Act doesn't dictate that you can't do that.
I was just wondering, because
We-
we're talking about when we're gonna present
Yes,
this,
yeah.
Yeah.
and that's cutting us back even more.
So can we say, our agenda looks like item 3, CBOC reviews the recommendations of the data subcommittee.
Mhm.
Agenda item 4, if agenda item 3 was approved, CBOC discusses those recommendations with,
I think you can have it under one, review and make recommendations on, receive report and make recommendations on the subcommittees.
I don't think it ought to be on the joint meeting. I think it should be on the CBOC meeting. Because we've already got, talking about our resolution, right? Our resolution 15-1 is already before the school board, right?
yes.
And I think, there's a lot of stuff. here
Okay,
we
I
just
see what
went
you're saying,
through.
yeah, yeah.
And to have this all discussed, I mean, this'll chew up a lot of time.
It will.
Just to
Yes.
discuss this.
Okay,
And,
Yes.
I mean, other people at CBOC may have a lot of thoughts about this. So my sense is, it ought to be on our regular,
Next meeting in July.
which is our July meeting. They're not gonna hold up anything.
I would agree with that, because then we'll also have the grand jury report.
that's a good point. Do we want to make some disclosure
Well, I'd like to,
at the 17th meeting that we're working on this, or is that
Maybe
just
that
looking
we
for
met.
trouble in terms
Well,
of
that could be
extending
part
the
of the,
discussion?
Or
On
the
chairman's
subcommittee
report?
report.
Yeah,
Probably
okay,
secondary report.
okay, yeah.
And then
Is-
we had a meeting, we're working on questions.
Is our July meeting on the 22nd, which is the 4th Wednesday, or is it the 29th?
I think it's the 22nd.
Okay, so can we have this group meet,
We're meeting on the 14th.
we're meeting on the 14th, okay.
Right. So that'll be great, we can craft the final.
I try to pick the second Tuesday, just like today.
Okay, I
That's
have
good.
county
Yes, I
planning
agree with
commission,
Tom on that. I think it's good.
but
to tell us
so
what we
far I
need.
don't have any items.
All right, so here's, to wrap it all up, I'm gonna compile all these questions, and I'll report back to you guys with everything, and you can then tweak it if if I can miss something or something needs to be added. I will go to the school board meeting tomorrow, speak only on the resolution, and then on the 17th, we will just make the committee report saying that we're working on these items, and we'll go from there. How's that?
Okay.
But
And then
on
meet
this,
again in July.
on the 17th agenda, put the resolution 15-1 as an action item.
Yeah.
So that they could take action, and the board could say, okay, we agree that the CBOC ought to participate in the selection of the
That's
forensic audit
good.
or whatever.
Because that,
Okay, so we want the Dennis Clay allegations to be an action item
Yes, the 15-1,
that resolution.
or a resolution?
yeah, the whole thing.
And if they don't want, and then they can explain why they didn't want to do it if they didn't
Right,
want to put it there.
or they could refer it to a subcommittee, they can do a lot of different things, right? Okay.
All right.
But if you don't have it on action, all you can do is talk about it.
Okay. We are adjourned. Thank you very much.